Remote desktop software has been around for years, and there are plenty of options out there. However, when AnyViewer reached out to me and asked me to check out their tool, I wasn't sure if it would offer anything new or different. But then, I had a realization. What if AnyViewer is the solution that finally makes remote desktop technology accessible and user-friendly for everyone? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a popular remote desktop program called AnyViewer. If you've ever needed to access your computer from a remote location, then AnyViewer is definitely a program you want to check out. So, let's dive in and explore what AnyViewer is all about. What is AnyViewer? AnyViewer is a remote desktop program that allows you to access and control a computer from a remote location. It works by establishing a connection between two computers over the internet. Once the connection is established, you can access and control the remote computer as if you were sitting in front of it. Features of AnyViewer. AnyViewer has a number of features that make it a great remote desktop program. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones. Easy to use. AnyViewer is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a computer expert to get it up and running. Cross-platform support. AnyViewer supports Windows, Mac, and Linux, so you can use it no matter what kind of computer you have. File transfer. AnyViewer allows you to transfer files between the local and remote computers, making it easy to work on files remotely. Multiple monitors. If the remote computer has multiple monitors, you can switch between them and control each one individually. Secure. AnyViewer uses industry-standard encryption to ensure that your connection is secure. How to use AnyViewer? Using AnyViewer is a breeze, whether you're accessing your computer from a desktop or a smartphone. Here's how you can get started. Download and install the AnyViewer program on the computer you want to remotely access. On the remote computer, start the AnyViewer program and note down the ID and password displayed on the screen. On the device you want to use to access the remote computer, download the AnyViewer app from the App Store and install it. Open the AnyViewer app and enter the ID and password from the remote computer. Once the connection is established, you can control the remote computer as if you were sitting in front of it, right from your smartphone. This means that you can play heavy games or even do editing remotely. That's all for today's video. AnyViewer is a fantastic remote desktop program that's easy to use and packed with features. If you need to access your computer remotely, then we highly recommend giving AnyViewer a try. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos.